In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run team meetings in FigJam. We'll start by finding a ready-made team meeting template and then customize it so it fits how your team works. By the end, you'll have a clean collaborative board you can reuse every week. First, open FigJam. This is where all the magic happens for collaborative whiteboarding and meetings. Once you're in, head to the community area. Community is a gallery of templates shared by FigJam and creators around the world, and it's the fastest way to kickstart a solid meeting structure without building from scratch. In the community view, use the search bar and type team meeting. You'll see a range of options designed for weekly stand-ups, all hands, planning sessions, and more. Take a moment to scan the thumbnails and titles. Look for layouts that include an agenda, time boxes, a space for decisions, and a section for action items. Those elements keep meetings focused and outcomes clear. When you find one that looks close to what you need, click to open its details page. Here you can preview more screenshots and read a short description to understand the flow the creator intended. If it aligns with your format, go ahead and choose Open in FigJam. This will spin up a new board you can edit immediately, separate from the original. Now, make your edits. Start at the top by updating the title, the date, and the meeting objective so everyone knows why they're here. Adjust the agenda to reflect the topics you actually cover. If the template includes suggested times, right-size them for your team. Short segments keep energy up, while complex topics might need a bit more space. Personalize the visuals, change colors to match your team's style, swap any placeholders, and rename sections with language your group uses. As you refine, think through the flow. Add a quick check-in prompt if the team benefits from a warm start, and make sure there's a clear area for decisions and next steps so nothing gets lost. Keep sticky note prompts simple and direct, and leave a small parking lot area for off-topic ideas to revisit later. If the board feels crowded, hide or delete any frames you won't use. Less clutter means smoother facilitation. Finally, make sure it fits your preferences. Reorder frames to match the way you like to facilitate, tighten wording so it's crystal clear, and save your customized version as your go-to board for recurring meetings. A short test run with a colleague can help you catch anything confusing before the full team joins. That's it. You've gone from browsing to a tailored FigJam meeting board that keeps everyone aligned and engaged.